Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing a ponytail. Yes, I wanted to do this tutorial before I installed my hair. Yeah, so as you can see, we went ahead from the night before to braid the hair just to stretch it a bit because I knew I was gonna do a ponytail. And guys, don't look at the hair, don't look at the hair. It's just coming together. It looks weird, but it's coming together. I'm working on it. Yes guys, and the edges too, I'm working on it guys, don't worry, I'm working on it. You know, my hair is always drama, but anyway, ignore the hair. The hair is coming along fine. I just have to work a little bit harder. But anyway, as you can see, we're just pulling out the hair braids, and then I'm just gonna comb it out, put it in a bun, and then we are gonna do our eyeshadow trick for the sparse edges. So combing it out right now, and I'm going to put it in a bun off camera in 3 2 1 0. All right, so now we're doing our eyeshadow trick, and I just wanted to speed up the video because I don't want it to be super long, because it doesn't need to be that long, right? So this is our eyeshadow trick, and we just went in with a black eyeshadow and a blending brush and applied it to the hair when it's dry. I like to apply it when it's dry, because if you apply it after you apply products, it's going to make your hair look a little bit cakey, all right, or extremely black, and we don't want that because that's going to look unnatural. So we just apply the powder first to just get it to be like spread, because you know it's powder. Allow it to be spread evenly so everything can look natural, and then we just use a comb to just brush it in. And then the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this edge control by Tessa. This is a very hydrating edge control, but this edge control does not sleek down my edges. It sleeks down my hair, just not the edges. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to apply it to all of my hair except for my edges. All right, yes, except for the edges. Then I'm just going to use a fine teeth comb to just, you know, blend everything in. Not gonna use a brush, use the comb, because I think the comb does a better job as opposed to the brush. The brush kind of brushes out, yes, as I was saying, the brush kind of brushes out the product. So I'm gonna be using this edge control. This is very matte, yes, and I'm just gonna take it to my hairline, just the area where I want to be sleek. Okay, yes, and I'm just applying it, as you can see, and that's all we're going to apply to the hair. Like, these edge controls are getting so like good that I realize that I don't really need to use or to layer my gels. Yeah, so these edge controls are good, especially now that it's like cooler months, so you know I'm not gonna sweat a lot, so the hair can stay. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but if you know, like if it's very hot, you can do the trick that I showed you guys, and I think you guys appreciated that. I can link the video so you can go and watch it if you want the layering of the edge control trick that can work if the time is extremely hot and your edges won't stay. If you have 4C hair like myself and your edges won't stay. All right, so as you can see now, we just basically did the edges. The left portion I already did. I don't know why I didn't record it, but I'm just brushing out the edges right now, and I realized that edges weren't, they weren't laying the way I wanted them to lay, so I decided to go in to brush it out and to go in with a little bit more of the edge or the hair wax. And I'm just using my comb now, my fine teeth comb, to just swoop the edges and stuff. And I'm not gonna go extra with the swoops and so forth, because that's the vibe that I was feeling. Yes, so I'm just going to use the comb to swoop everything in, and then use the brush now, the edge brush, to just swoop it further, and then we're just going to use a little edge control to just touch it up and just to blend it in, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be right back, because the excessive talking is necessary. All right. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using some pre-twist braiding hair or crochet hair. This is 1B. Yes, I'm going to be using this here, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Okay, and I'm going to just use an elastic band to just take it right there. So I just basically wrap it or loop it around the hair, and then I'm going to use that as my little, you know, elastic thingy to secure the hair onto my bun. Okay, and then later on I'm going to take the pieces of the hair to wrap it around the bun to secure it further, because you know that this little elastic band cannot secure the hair. Okay, if you notice, as you can see, so we need something a little bit stronger, so it's onto the bun. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the hair to wrap it around so that it can be perfectly secured. Can you see that now? Did I show it? Yeah, I'm just kind of fluffing out the hair. Then I'm going to take a random piece to just wrap it around and just wrap it small with some tiny piece. Right, there it is. Good. So I'm just going to wrap it around my bun to secure it further, and I'm going to wrap it really tight so it doesn't fall off. And I'm going to do this one more time. All right, so when I wrap it around and I think it's like very secure, see me using another piece of hair and I feel it's very secured, then I just continue to fluff it out. All right, when I fluff it out now, it's just going to look like this. So I'm giving you an option. You can make a bun, or you can do the puff that I did. So I'm just showing you, just basically wrap the bun around. If you want a bun, you just wrap the hair according to how you like. However big you want it to be, you just basically wrap it, and that's just pretty much it. I am going to be going for the puff, so I'm just going to pull it out and fluff it out according to my liking, and then we're gonna be finished with it. So I'm gonna be right back, and you're gonna see how it's going to look. Okay. Okay, so as I was saying, we decided to do the puff. So this is how it's looking. What I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to fluff it out, then I'm going to tie my hair down, and then I'm going to do my makeup. And then guys, notice my hair looks a little matte, but now it looks a little more hydrated because I had to go in with some moisturizer, not moisturizer, some oil, and I just rub it onto my hand and rub it onto my hair, and then tie it down again and then pull it out, and then this is the look, and I love it along with the makeup. But this is it guys, I hope you like it. I'm gonna show you some more slow-mos so you can sit back and yeah, I'm loving it guys. I love it. It just gives me a regal African girl vibe. Yes sis, I wish my hair was like this puffy. Yeah, but anyway, this is it for you girl. Like, subscribe, share, and all the good stuff. See you in the next one. Bye bye.